Hello, everyone. Tesla started out as an audacious dream, sparked by a visionary who dared to question the status quo. Fast forward to now, and Tesla has not only changed the rules of the automotive industry, but it's also changing the rules of investment. This isn't just a car company, it's a movement, a symbol of innovation, sustainability, and pushing the limits. Now imagine this company soaring to heights that no one could have imagined, the $5,000 mark. That number might seem like a faraway goal, but hold on tight. We're about to break down the data, reveal the predictions, and lay out the factors that could make this daring climb a reality, from technological breakthroughs and market expansion to a relentless pursuit of excellence. It's been nothing but a roller coaster ride for Tesla. Even the most experienced analysts are left wide-eyed and wondering how this is even possible. In this video, we're going to find out. But first, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. With that out of the way, let's start the video and talk about business and growth. As you can see, a company like Tesla that wants to grow is all about investing in new businesses, making new products, and fostering innovation. They just announced plans for a new factory in Berlin that will make over 1 million cars for Europe. This is a big deal because Berlin currently makes about 200,000 cars a year, so the growth potential will hide the limit. And while we're talking about investments, let's talk about those chips. Tesla isn't just about cars. They're putting over $1 billion into their studio and chip manufacturing. In other words, they're building a strong base for AI-driven self-driving tech that will make them a leader in the field. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. Tesla may start arguments, but it's also a strong player in the EV game. Why? Because they're leading the way in innovation, they're dominating the market, and they're also a leader in energy solutions plus. Analysts like Alexandra Aniores, who used to work at Moody's, have some interesting ideas. She thinks Tesla's growth story is just beginning, and its impact on green transportation and job creation could be a model for the future. So what's the juicy part? Merz tells us about Tesla's unstoppable growth and even paints a picture of the stock hitting a huge $11,000. Are you still interested? Well, let's break it down with some numbers. Tesla just revealed that sales for the third quarter reached $25 billion, which is a pretty impressive $100 billion for the year. And guess what? They expect to make between $10 and $12 billion this year alone. But wait, there's more. Tesla's energy business is only about 6% of the company's total revenue, while cars and services make up 94%. But things are about to change, as the company plans to sell 1.8 million cars this year and 5 million in 3 years. The energy segment is expected to grow to a huge 20%, and fully self-driving tech will add 10%. Boom sales are expected to skyrocket to $350 billion in 3 years. Now let's go back and talk about Tesla's innovations. Mojo has become a leader in sustainable energy solutions, starting a revolution that is changing the world and growing their global reach all the time. From electric cars to cutting-edge green energy, Tesla is leading a change that's not only shaking up industries but also writing the rules. Tesla always goes against the norm, pushing us toward a greener future. What makes them stand out is their unwavering global impact, continuing to shine as a trailblazer. Tesla's influence goes beyond making things. They're changing the way technology interacts with nature. To grow because it cuts down on carbon emissions and helps make the future more safe for future generations. The fast growth and popularity of the market is like a wildfire, setting off a chain reaction of events as more charging stations open and makers put money into new ideas. Electric vehicles are becoming easier to buy. It's no longer just about having a car. It's about being a part of a movement that wants to make the world greener and more sustainable. Of course, crystal clarity can't tell the future, but these numbers show that more people will be riding electric in the coming years. It is expected that the EV market will grow from $287.36 billion in 2021 to a huge $1,318.22 billion in 2028. And it's not stopping there. According to our guru CEO Cathie Wood, the years 2022 to 2024 are going to be the EV golden age. New models are coming out, the government is supporting them, and the stars are aligned for electric dominance. The switch to battery-powered cars has given the EV market a huge boost. People are learning more about the benefits of electric rides, and fully self-driving cars are the cherry on top. Tesla's FSD software has already changed things, and in the next 10 years it's going to completely upend the transportation industry. The numbers, they're talking a different language. Merz thinks that FSD could add a huge $200 billion to Tesla's revenue in the future. That's a lot of numbers and dollar signs. In fact, Tesla stock fans' wildest dreams, this software might even be as big of a game changer as robots. That's the punchline. Merz sees Tesla's sales reaching an impressive $2.6 trillion and profits soaring to $3 trillion. All of this depends on a 50% growth model. And their energy division may be even bigger than their car business, so buckle up because Tesla's future looks like it will be an exciting wild ride. If Tesla continues to grow its energy car business and other ventures, it could see significant growth in the future. Analysts see a scenario in which in 10 years, Tesla becomes a major source of abundant energy through batteries, solar panels, and other products. During the third quarter of 2022, Tesla's energy business saw record revenues in energy storage deployment. Energy revenues rose to $1.117 billion, a 0.6 increase year over year. The cost of revenue was $1.13 billion. While problems like inflation and recession are clear, experts say that these problems can be overcome. High inflation can be good in the long run because it can hurt competitors and make way for Tesla to dominate the industry. Even though these numbers are just estimates, they give Tesla investors useful information because they show potential returns and help potential investors make smart decisions based on facts. This is true whether you're an experienced investor closely following Tesla's progress or someone who is interested in the possibilities of this game-changing company. Tesla might be a great stock to buy. While some may argue that optimism about Tesla's potential can be excessive, it's important to note the multitude of ongoing and planned projects that underline Tesla's innovative spirit. Of course, Tesla is influenced by various market dynamics that can cause stock prices to fluctuate. Yet we hold the belief that the company will take appropriate measures to ensure growth continues steadily. In this video, we've illuminated the fascinating prospects that await Tesla, a company at the forefront of transformation. We've delved into how Tesla's expansion in energy, its car business, and its technological advancements could shape its narrative moving forward, from ambitious projections on car production and financial gains to the role of full self-driving technology. We've touched on pivotal factors that may shape Tesla's growth trajectory over the next decade. And with that, we've reached the end of this insightful exploration into the exciting future that lies ahead for Tesla. We've journeyed through its remarkable growth, new steps forward, and the possible effects on different areas. Whether you're an experienced investor keeping a close eye on the stock market or just interested in how a new company is doing, Tesla's journey is certainly interesting, and that's the end of the video. But before I go, let me ask you this. How do you see Tesla's evolution playing out? Beyond making cars, could Tesla's energy projects change the way the market works overall? Based on what we've talked about, are you more optimistic about Tesla's future, or do you still have doubts about its path ahead? Please share your thoughts, and let's talk more about its potential and the challenges of investing in a company that is always changing. If you learned something from this conversation and want to stay up to date on everything Tesla, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support, getting notifications, and subscribing.